Welcome back again, everybody. It's Albert Lebel, and I've got a challenge lock in the vise called Have a Nice Day by Steel Pinnings. Also, I've got a little bit of good news. Well, a bunch of good news. At the end of this week, obviously Friday, that'll wrap up this work week for me, and also it'll be the beginning of my Christmas vacation. So I'm freaking looking forward to that because I'll be off like I think 10 or 11 days in a row after Friday. So I'm gonna freaking love it. But anyways, also the other good news is something I think we've all been waiting for. I know I have. I finally ordered some stuff from Sparrows for the 300 sub giveaway. So as soon as it gets here, I will take care of all that. I will show what it is. I guess I'll just go ahead and keep it a surprise a little bit longer. It's not that big a deal, but I guess anything's a big deal. So yeah, I ordered it today, and it shouldn't be long because now they're not shipping from Canada. Well, they probably still are, but us here in the U.S., we don't have to get the stuff from Canada no more, so it's a little bit quicker and easier. So it shouldn't be long anyways. And when it gets here, I will handle the 300 sub giveaway because we're overdue. All right, bada boom, bada bing. Where are we at? Have a Nice Day by Steel Pinnings. It is a schleg, I think. It's a schleg, and I love me a schleg. Let's try to drop this in the bottom here. Little shotgun dude. And my Sparrows. Speaking of Sparrows, I think it's a short hook maybe. It's really short. The one I love using on these schlegs. Let's try to get a top of the keyway in there. Fits pretty good. It's got a little bit of slop there, so I'm guessing there's some nastiness up in there. Excuse me. Alright, so let's see if, let me get a feel for it real quick. See what's crack-a-lacking. Alright, it feels like maybe pin 4 for sure. Alright. Oh, I didn't even show the damn. Whoa, back it up. There's the key. Sorry about that. A little nasty, but not real nasty. Looking anyway. Got a little snag to it right there. So, like I said, I think there's some nastiness up in there. We're fixing to find out, I hope. With a little bit of luck and a lot of technique. Alright. Now, let's see. We're bouncy up front. Well, I take that back. Let me see. One's binding a little bit. I think. Yeah, I don't know about that. I think there's going to be a lot of nastiness in this thing. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to reset that. Let's go right back to that binder. 4, I think. Okay. 5. A little bit of counter, I think it's 3. Try and set it. I don't know if that's set or not. There we go. Now it did. Alright, coming out. 2. Come on, baby. It's not wanting to set. I think it's actually pin 1 anyways. Huh. I may have to force it. There we go. Okay. Wow, that did not want to move. Okay. The back. Okay, now we got a seriously deep fall set. These pins do not want to move. Okay, it's not open, but well, okay, there we go. Wow. I'll tell you what, man, nasty, but it's open. All right, let's get that out of there. What a tricky lock there. Steel Pinnings. All right, let's get it out of the vise. Bada boom, bada bang. Yeah, there's something really funky in there. I'll tell you what. The pins, when they were setting, it was kind of hard to tell they were setting. I don't know if kind of that like gummy feeling almost that some used locks have, but it doesn't look that dirty. Okay, let's find out why. Instead of assuming. Whoops. Golly, come on. There we go. All right, bada boom, bada bang. We're very much open, as I said. We got the key, so we can lock it back up. So yeah, finally, I was excited today because I finally went ahead and you know, I use all different kinds of lock picks. Well, I say that. The Praxis picks, I freaking love the Praxis set because it's got the dual gauge. And then I've got the Sparrows Monstrum XXL. And then I've got a whole bunch of single Sparrows picks. And the SS Devs, I got Buku. Let me bring the camera up a little bit here for a minute. On my rack here. A bunch of Peterson, some more Sparrows. I got Southord, Buku Southord picks. I use a lot of different kinds of picks, but I am partial to I love Sparrows, so which is probably becoming pretty obvious because I think the last couple of my giveaways I did Sparrow stuff, so I went with Sparrows again. I just think they're great. They've got great. I've had to contact them once or twice, and they were very good to me, so I like them. And their picks are high quality picks. All right, we got some nastiness up in here. I can't even get a... I'll try to swing it around maybe. Oh boy. Let's see how this is going to go. All right, we got it. Let's see. Yeah, it is dirty, but golly, it felt really dirty. All right. Got some serrations on one. Same in number 2. Same in 3. And 4. And also 5. All right. Get some specs on here. And the lock lab is just about done too. The my workbench that's behind me here. I still need to do a couple of things. I got the breaker box, or not the plug strip set up last night. I've got a few more things I need to do before it's complete. But basically, while I'm doing, it's not going to change this much. I'm just trying to keep this as my pick bench and the other one as my workbench instead of doing both on the same table. It's a nightmare because I'm constantly having to put stuff away and heck with all that. All right. Oh, we didn't look at the core. Golly. We've got looks like a little bit of threading on the 5th one. Maybe, but it looks really worn down. I don't know if that's intentional or what. Let me see if I can get that at all. I don't know if we'll be able to see it. pretty worn down if it is threading. It does look like it. Maybe an undersized tap, I'm not sure. Not positive on that. Alright, let's see. Going upstairs. We've got, oh, two-piece pin. It's a T-pin with a serrated sleeve on it. I'm going to put that like that. Yep. Well played. And very long, serrated, almost barbell looking serrated type combobulation and two. Little mini spring and two. Oh, this thing got a little bit of everything. Well played, sir. Number 4. Double serrated. Larger spring in that one. 5 looks like a long, oh yeah, one piece. Yep, very nice looking spool. Very nice. And a longer spring and a different kind of spring. Now, I don't think that was removed, but I'll check it out anyways. No mods upstairs. Alrighty, bada boom, bada bing, baby. Alright, let's take a look at some pins, huh? Mr. Steel Pinnings. Key pins. We got a double serrated in 1, double serrated in 2, triple serrated in 3, triple serrated in 4, and a double serrated key pin in number 5. Drivers, we got this really cool looking serrated sleeve T-pin combobulation, because see, if when it's together like so, it's gonna, oops, there went the spring. It's gonna work as a T-pin, obviously, and then while you're picking on it, it's gonna be sliding up and down, and this thing's gonna get caught up in there, and you know, it's going to work kind of as at least two different kinds of pins. It's really going to jack with you, which it did. It worked pretty good. Number 2, this cool looking, almost barbell, serrated barbell type looking thing. I'd call that serrated barbell. 3, that's wide enough to call that a spool with a serrated end on it. And then 4, double serrated. 5, again, that's definitely spool action right there. Really cool looking idea. Really neat. And that's going to get caught, and it did. The lock worked really good, I'm telling you. The feedback almost died on me, so you can take the feedback away. You're really going to hold somebody up. Alright, that'll do her. Have a Nice Day by Steel Pinnings. And again, y'all, like I said, I just ordered the stuff for the 300 sub giveaway, so hang in there. It's on its way. When it gets here, we'll take care of that. So thank you all so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Please comment. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, what's wrong with you? Are you crazy? All right, Big Al, signing out.